Hey, what's up guys? It's another week and I'm bringing you another episode of the Android home screen setup of the week. On this week's episode, our launcher is going to be based on the HYPERION launcher, and everything on the setup is going to be built on top of HYPERION launcher. The icon pack that's going to be used in this setup is from MIUI 10, and it's a very amazing circular colorful icon pack, and it has over 10,714 icons you can choose from. So no matter the app you download, you're going to be sorted out. So I'm going to link the wallpaper I use in this setup in the description section, so make sure to check that out if you do want to have it on your setup as well. The top widget is from MINIMO 2 KWGT and is the widget number 022. Now this widget has a cool 2D effect, and it shows us the date, the days in the week, and the current time. I really love how it looks. It has this peculiar look and it just brings life to this home screen setup. Now the icons on the home screen have been set up in a 3x4 format, so you have 12 icons and you can access them easily. The bottom widget is a weather widget from 420 KWGT. It looks very fantastic, and it has a Wi-Fi signal indicator, a battery level indicator, and a weekly weather forecast indicator as well. I'm a big fan of this widget, obviously, and if you're someone who really wants to stay updated with your weather conditions, this widget is going to sort you out. In order to help you replicate this setup easily, I have a quick setup tutorial right for you. So let's just jump into it. So what we're going to do is we're going to long press the home screen, and then we are going to navigate to the KWGT widgets line. We're going to choose the widget with the aspect ratio 4:2. And quick tip, this is going to be aligned to the left. Now, as we go on, you're going to see why we align this widget to the left. Now we are going to click the KWGT widget and navigate to the MINIMO 2 widget. Now once we get there, we're going to look for the widget number we are looking for, and that widget number is widget number 022. So as you can see, I have that widget, and what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click layer, and then I'm going to adjust the size of the widget to about, say, 71.7. I mean, that size is great for the setup, and as you can see, it just looks very beautiful. It kind of looks centered, but we actually aligned it to the left. If we are going to try center this, it's not going to be so in the middle. So aligning it to the left kind of gives it this center alignment automatically. So we're going to do the same thing for the bottom widget. Now you're going to long press the home screen, and then you're going to navigate to KWGT. You can choose 4:1 or 2:2. One thing I like about the KWGT widget is that the aspect ratio can be easily adjusted to fit your particular, frame of your home screen. So over here, I adjusted it a bit. Then we're going to click the inside of the widget, and we're going to navigate to 420 KWGT. Now at 420 KWGT, we're going to look for widget number B222. So that is the weather widget that we're going to use in this setup. So we're going to look for that, and we're going to click it. Now once you click it, it has a different format. You're going to go to layer, and then you're going to scale it up a bit. So say somewhere around 112.1 should be fine. So once we have a perfect size, we're going to come to items, and then we're going to click drawer with the checkbox on the right. We're going to click drawer, then we're going to click delete. Why I'm doing that is because I don't think I'm going to need that part of the widget. If you think you're going to need that, you can retain that, but I'm not going to use that for the setup, so I'm going to delete that. Now once you delete it, you can click save, and then you go back to your home screen, and you're going to have your complete setup. Now this setup is so easy to make, very simple, yet very beautiful. So that's that for this week. Let me know what you think about this video. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video. I'll catch you some other time. Stay blessed.